This quick 3 forms practice I'm calling Harmonizing the Self, both working on our body's balance as well as our inner being. I bring my knee up towards my elbow, palms out. Then I bring my leg down into a relaxed tree pose. Hands come up in gathering chi, palms stretch up, and then arms relax down, pointing my toe back, palms at heart center. That's the practice. Switch sides. I suggest watching this video as needed so that you memorize the forms. Once you have them memorized, you can set a timer for yourself so that you ultimately get lost in it. Feel your rhythm. Find yourself. By no means is it meant to perfect as much as it is to just experience. See if you can connect the dots from your fingertips to your toes. Also, I find I vary my inhale and exhales. I keep them long with the movement, but I also change at sometimes exhaling where I used to inhale. See what works for you, but use your breath as your vehicle so that you arrive at each place feeling steady and calm. After doing this simple practice that actually takes a lot of focus, I tend to leave it really feeling a sense of happiness, of inner joy, but also of contentment. Finish the practice with sinking chi. Take your time. You can conclude with your hands over dantian and some mindful breaths.